Osawa is a company that produces macrobiotic foods. In this video, I'll introduce the products I bought there the other day. 1-minute walk from Ekijiri, which is one station from Shibuya Station. 99% of products are vegan and clearly labeled as such. It's a store that's easy for tourists to shop at too. This time's purchases. Bouillon powders, the basis of cooking. Basic vegetable bouillon. Good for soups, curries, stews, and more. Dashi stock powder. The basic kombu and shiitake one. For namono, noodle dipping sauce, miso soup, and more. Chinese style. For ramen, stir-fries, and more. These are small ones containing 8 sachets. Large bags are also available. They are key ingredients in flavor. I recommend for people who want to cook Japanese dishes at home. Instant noodles. I only bought 2 types. But there are so many to choose from. I chose these from a tourist's perspective this time. But they also have a variety of fresh ramen. So I recommend them for people with access to a kitchen. They come as a set of fresh noodles and concentrated soup. So all you need to add is your favorite vegetables. Osawa's spicy food is quite spicy. Ready-to-cook seasonings and ingredients mixes. To make mapo tofu, simply add tofu and cook. To make the vegetable rice mix, simply cook it with rice and water. I only bought these 2 this time, but there are many other varieties available. Vegetable rice tastes like gentle home cooking. Mapo tofu sauce would also go well with eggplant and glass noodles. Three types of roux: demi-glace, curry roux, and white roux. You can use them individually or mix them together to create a variety of flavors. I mixed a little curry roux into the white roux this time. It's creamy and slightly spicy. They make 3 types of pasta sauce. This is Menteiko sauce. I can make it my own, but I wanted to give it a try. Okonomi sauce. For okonomiyaki, yakisoba noodles, takoyaki, tonkatsu, etc. Soy mayo. Tartar sauce made with this is also available for purchase. And there are many other condiments available. Dried enoki. They are sold as snacks, but I use them for cooking. Because dried mushrooms make a good soup stock. Instant miso soup. There are also many different kinds of soup. This is miso soup with tofu, spinach, and green onion. 3 servings. Just pour hot water. I've been wondering how dried tofu can be turned back into tofu in hot water. Why doesn't it become spongy? Okara konjac. Popular Japanese plant meat made from soy pulp and konjac. It can be enjoyed in a variety of ways depending on how you cut it. Steak, tonkatsu, carriage, or hamburgers. You can enjoy different textures, whether you eat it as is or frozen and thawed. So I recommend you try both. It has no flavor on its own. So try experimenting with different seasonings and cooking methods. Zero meat ham. Is it because it's a pharmaceutical company's product that there is no vegan label? I'm against animal testing for food, but not against pharmaceuticals. So I decided to give it a try. When it was first released, it was lacto-veg. But in response to the requests from vegans, they've switched it to plant-based. This is a refrigerated product, so it's not suitable for travel. The taste and texture are just like ham. Non-veggies wouldn't even notice it's plant-based. They're also curry sausage type. Frozen gyoza. I usually buy them at a regular supermarket, but you can also get them there. Cooking is required, so these are for people with access to a kitchen. There are also a lot of snacks. These yuzu shikimi rice crackers are quite spicy. There are so many products that I can't cover them all in one video. There's just about anything you can think of. Basic seasonings such as soy sauce, fresh vegetables, refrigerated foods, frozen foods, baked goods, boil-in-the-bag foods, ice creams, drinks, and non-food daily necessities. There is also a vegan restaurant attached. Please be sure to check it out.